Rosamel's World signing in. It's been long since I uploaded a video, but I'm back again. Let's dive into today's video. I will be preparing a minced beef stew that can be served with rice or chapati, and the second dish I will be preparing is githeri, which is a local Kenyan dish that is a combination of corn and beans. The ingredients I will use for the meals are locally available at any grocery store. And as for the spices, I will use the ones that I love most. So don't feel limited when spicing your meals, just use what works for you. As I cook today, I would like to talk about eating, since sometimes it can be a real struggle. There are things that I have learned that have really helped me make peace with food, and I would like to share them with you. The first and most important thing that I have learned is not to label food as good or bad, since this is a limiting behavior to what you eat. The second lesson that I have learned when it comes to eating is that I should eat when I'm hungry. I have come to understand that most of us oftenly end up not eating when hungry because we are either too busy with work or other issues. However, having snacks around can really help us when eating options are limited. And in my case, I enjoy having an apple or even some cut pieces of oranges around me or in my bag so that I can easily eat them when I'm hungry. And the third lesson that I have learned about eating is that we eat what we see. This is especially helpful in instances when we are at home. You can prepare dishes and snacks and put them around you so that you can consume them whenever you see them. The more you see something, the more you're going to be ready and willing to eat it, unlike when it is far away from you and you're not seeing it. Last but not the least important thing that I've learned about eating is that I should increase my intake of fluids. And to increase my water intake, I make sure I carry my water bottle with me and place it in places where I can easily see it. And this serves me as a constant reminder for me to drink it. Rosamel's World signing off. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog and that you have learned something. Be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.